Hi guys, my name's Stephen, so I'm the activity coordinator here at Constant. Coming in September, October, I'm going to be the cycle tour guide as well. So we've got a range of rides for all abilities, so don't be scared. It's not for the professional riders. This is the cycle tours, so we're going to be going to lots of village stops. And actually today, the team here, we've just been on a ride. It's Route 1, so it goes from Lalande round to Tromlat, where we're on our way now, but we've had a lovely lunch, actually at Monsac, which is my favourite stop up. And now we're at this viewpoint, which is one of my favourite viewpoints, and we're actually looking at the Meander Bend and a village over there called Cals. So today we've actually done the extension ride because these guys are so good. Okay, so we went to Limoy, which is where the confluence of the Dordogne and the Vézère meet, and we went to a lovely cafe there and had a nice breakfast actually, yeah. And we had some cafe allongés there, and then we had a little paddle, didn't we? Yeah. So set the bikes down and went straight in, and it was most refreshing water.
We've seen some lovely villages, we've stopped at some wonderful locations, and quite honestly, I cannot think of a nicer location to do some gentle cycling through the countryside, the French countryside. Come September, October, it will be perfect. And the colours in the woods will be superb, they'll be at their best. So come, get yourselves here. And I would say these rides are designed for all ages to enjoy together and almost all abilities. So don't be afraid to have a go. Nobody's expecting you to cycle like some guy cycling the Tour de France. It's just going to be a pleasure. And Stephen is a great guide as well, so I definitely recommend coming back. We've had a wonderful day today. We've been cycling through beautiful countryside. One of the highlights was cycling through fields of sunflowers, absolutely unbelievable. Cycling down into the village of Limoy, fantastic. Stopping for coffee, all beautiful. Enjoy the French countryside on a bicycle with wonderful, wonderful Stephen. No pressure, just a lot of fun.